All right, it's time to create with Quimby. Our DIY expert Shannon Quimby back to add some cheer in our studio through a simple 3-letter word. Yay!
Yay! We love it. Shannon showing us how to transform some old kitchen cabinets into a fun DIY sign. Good morning.
Good morning. And yeah, not only the old kitchen cabinets, but they're actually coming from a remodel that I'm doing in my house right now.
Oh my God, yeah, perfect. So you had it lying around.
Did you do yay because that's what you said when you thought of a use for them?
Exactly, because they're really ugly. And I was like, man, I got to do something with it. So
spice it up.
So this is literally one of the original kitchen cabinet doors.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you know, they did this like
I was just
painting
saying, is that
technique.
wood or is this like a veneer? What are we working
It's
with
actually,
here?
the great thing about some of these olds, a solid piece of wood.
Okay.
This is a nice piece of wood, yeah.
Right, so it's good material. You don't want to just chuck it.
Exactly.
Okay.
So the first thing I did is and if you notice the edges around this one here, I did a little hand sander and I sanded it. Okay?
Nice.
So made the layers of years of colors, okay? So you guys are going to do the fun part, which I will show at the end.
Okay.
So you're going to be painting, we said yay, and I'll show the steps.
Okay.
So grab a paintbrush.
All right.
Do you want us to get started on this
Yes,
while you show
exactly.
us how we
Yeah.
get here?
So
okay.
you want to pick out some letters. There's whatever font you like, you know. And I did yay because I'm a little lazy, so I have to do 3 letters. Keeping it real, I'm just letting you know. Yeah.
And 2 are the same.
So you know, print them out. You know, blow it up, print it out on 3 pieces of paper, and you
Okay.
have to do all 3. And then I'm going to grab the other board, and so then you cut those out, and then you measure and mark. These boards are big, so I'm going to stand back behind you.
Okay.
And then I measure and mark, and then I put the letters on the board. So, you know, equally distanced, apart, and so forth. And then I just trace around the letters.
Perfect. Okay.
Yeah, really, really easy.
Which is what you've already done for us here, which is what we're able to paint in.
Yeah, yeah. Now, kind of a next step that I want to show you guys, and I'm going to rip one of these letters off, and it's kind of fun, and it helps you stay to paint within the lines, okay, is I take an old flathead screwdriver, and what I'm going to show you here, and I'll do this, you keep working on that. I'll peel one of these off, get all my little tapes here. And then on the line that I outlined, I take this flathead screwdriver and I go, and I go
you're kind of
around.
scoring the edges.
And I go around the edges, and you can kind of feel that, And so, you know, Travis, like you always say, you know, I'm not the big creative guy, no big deal. The DIYer.
My why is proving at that
That's
point.
okay. The reason with the scoring, if you have any of the paint that bleeds over, it'll kind of go into that edge.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, and then
Smart.
once you get done, then you paint it. And then, you know, depends on, you know, use whatever leftover paint you have. And then when it's all said and done, you might want to do, if you want to, you can do maybe 2 colors. It doesn't matter. It depends on the paint you use.
Sure.
And then when you're done with that, if you want to kind of give it that older look again, you know, that vintage look, then you would kind of lightly sand over the letters.
Is that what you've done with your example here?
I did,
Okay.
yes, at the end, yeah.
Okay.
And so, and that's really what it is. And the great thing about this, you guys, is that this cost me nothing.
I mean, ripped out the old cabinets. You had some
these
paint on hand, I'm sure.
Little sample, and this is a perfect project for one of those little sample cans of paint if you tested some colors on your wall.
I mean, this does not take very much paint. I
Maybe
think
it's
I've
not what
maybe
you
gone back
wanted.
in one time.
Seriously,
probably. I probably didn't even need to.
A big yay.
Yeah, big yay. Exactly, a big yay.
Big yay when it's free 99.
It is, yeah. And I'm really excited. A huge announcement, you guys.
Yes.
I'm working with PARR. We just kicked off filming a 12-part series with PARR Weekend Warriors Home Improvement Show.
I love it.
Yeah, it's going to be
nice.
launching in July. And we're literally showing how to remodel a house from a homeowner's perspective and a contractor. We're keeping it real.
That's really smart because I mean obviously those are the 2 perspectives, but then it helps you see the other side of that dilemma that often people run into.
Yeah, you always kind of hear the nightmare stories, you know, oh, is this going to be so hard? But yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
So, and then also I'm really happy to say that this sign and yours, I'm going to be donated to Habitat for Humanity at one of the restores. So you can maybe go buy it. Yeah.
That's lovely. That's lovely. I think Well, at least your sign and one Y and A on this will look great. I don't know about this Y, but
Yeah, come in here, Stephen. Let's get a little close up on these letters.
I kind of.
To Shannon's credit, before the segment, she looks at me. She goes, "You can have the detail brush," because she knew I was going to want to do the edges first and try and make them clean.
I was the kid with coloring books that was like, if I could just like color it as much as I can, as fast as I can, then I'll get the job done.
I gotta try and do my edges.
But once again, you guys, that's the beauty about DIY, right? Everyone's original.
Yeah.
And you know, the DIY, you're not going to get a ticket. The police aren't going to show up and give you a DIY ticket.
Exactly.
So
I might judge you if we're working on a project together, but that's why you don't have to work on it with me. So
this is true. You got a perfectionist at work here.
You just put me in my little corner. Let me take a long time.
Awesome. Shannon, it's always great to see you. Great. I love the positive message with today's DIY. All right.
You won't be saying yay.
Yes. For the full list of instructions and materials for this DIY, of course, we're going to post that on coin.com. Also, be sure to follow Shannon on Facebook for more of those giveaways and any other events that she has coming up. Again, coin.com and Shannon Quimby on Facebook.